This is Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and today I'll show how you can fix overheating issues on this device. So I recommend that you start with going into settings, battery, and here switch on the power saving, and here you can also avoid those occurrences from happening in future, or just save yourself from future overheating issues by going into the charging settings and switching out those two options, the fast charging and fast wireless charging. Then you can also go into the device care category here and switch your performance profile from standard to light, since as you can see in the light profile the system will prioritize cooling efficiency over everything else. So that's what we are looking for pretty much. And on top of that, there are also some optimizations that will not be significant, but will help your phone to cool itself down regardless. So enter the display category of settings, enable dark mode and adaptive brightness features. So that'll be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching and bye bye.